Okay, so welcome back to another tutorial, but this time my microphone didn't work, so I spent like 20 minutes recording stuff, and just to find out that the audio didn't record. So this was supposed to be a whole tutorial, and I actually have the video for the tutorial about interaction. So basically I'm just going to show you really quickly. We have a cube, we have a capsule with an interactable script, and the interactable script is this, just print message, I was called. Then we have a main camera with the interaction sender, and the interaction sender is just this, which I'm going to explain in a second. And we have an event system, which we don't need, but just keep if it appears. So the interaction sender, we don't actually even need it. So in the update, we check if the player inputs the key E, and then if he does, we say check for interactable. So we first draw array to show where it's actually pointing, or where the forward is. Or another cool trick I learned is the Z-axis, as we all know, is forward, so you can just see on the blue arrow where the forward is. So that's pretty neat. So then we have a raycast hit, and we just store the hit information where it hits, and now we actually shoot out the ray with our position, then the direction which is forward, then we just return the hit value, and then we have a map to infinity, so we can just infinitely shoot it. So we can interact from a mile away, which is wrong, but we can set it something to 10. Next we have if the hit hits an object with a tag interactable, then we get the script. Then we get a script called interactable, which is this script, and then we just call a message on this script. And so that's it. I'll show you how to test it. So there we go. We press E. I was called. If we go far away, press E. We get called again, I guess. That's 10. That's like, if we go here, E, we're not called because it's like far away. So thanks for watching this very oversimplified tutorial. Hope my mic doesn't reset the next time. See ya. This is a namespace tutorial right here, and this is another video, and you can subscribe to me here. See ya.